Hey YouTube, let's just fix it with Biscuit. And we got this toy out of my car, which has been driving me nuts for the last couple months, and I didn't know where it was. And every time I turn a corner, it makes noises. And it's annoying. So we're gonna put it in the press. I've had enough. Alrighty, we got another toy here. We just couldn't help it. So I'm gonna have some protection. So that last one was a little violent. That's what you're supposed to use a press for, right? Whoops. Almost knocked you over, YouTube. So yeah, I didn't get to see that one because I was standing behind the protective gear that I had, which was part of a microwave I tore apart. But thanks for watching, and hey, maybe we'll smash some more crap.